It is. Hayes, happy birthday. Love, Uncle Scott.
It's bath to squirters.
Cool.
Okay, let's see what's from Grandmommy and Granddaddy.
Hayes.
Well, not if I know we can beat them.
There's another one. Hayes, there's another one.
Come here, Brock.
Open the Hayes.
Jared.
What did Grandmommy and Granddaddy get you?
Not yet. I want to see you do the death crawl again, except I want to see your absolute best.
You want sister to help you? Okay.
What, you want to go to the starting?
Ooh. It's some stacking blocks or something, probably.
But even if you can, I want you to promise me you're going to do your best.
Ooh, another bath toy.
You going to give me your best? I'm going to give you my best.
What do you say, Jesus? Thank you.
Why?
Thank you to
Once
the
you get enough at a
people.
certain point, we need to go further.
Thank you to the people. Want me to open it?
Hayes. Hayes, wave to Grandmommy. Can you wave to Grandmommy? You know it'll mean the world to her. Hannah Grace, can you tell them thank you for your presents?
Thank you for your presents to Hayes.
And to you.
And to me.
Say I love them.
I love them.
And I love you.
I love you.
Bye.